Good wishes, dear students. In the previous classes, we learnt the different physical properties of functional groups of alcohol, namely boiling and melting point, intermolecular hydrogen bonding, and so on. Now, in today's class, we will learn about the solubility characteristics of a functional group of alcohol. Now, what's the point given? Lower members are highly soluble in water due to the formation of intermolecular hydrogen bonding. This concept you have learnt it in the previous class, how to identify the number of intermolecular hydrogen bonding. So what's the point they are saying here? Greater the number of intermolecular hydrogen bonding, more will be the solubility. Now one more point I have written, why lower members are more soluble compared to higher members of alcohol. Now what's the meaning of this lower member and higher member? For example, methanol and ethanol you consider. When you hear a word methanol, only one carbon atom you have got it. It's called as a lower member. Ethanol, when you say how many carbon atoms you have got, 2 carbon atoms you've got here. Now there is apart from the number of carbon atoms, there is a reason here. When more number of carbon gets added to the chain, the non-polar character dominates, hence solubility decreases. This point let me explain to you with a practical example. I have taken a methanol, that is CH3OH, ethanol CH3CH2OH. Now propanol CH3CH2CH2OH, meaning only one carbon atom. Here 2 carbon atom. Here 3 carbon atom. What's the point given? When more number of carbon gets added to the chain, non-polar character increases. Now hydrogen bonding we explain based on the concept of dipole moment, meaning that's a polarity character. The bond that is formed between a partially negative and a partially negative and a partially positive atom. Now when we say non-polar, look at this example. Methanol only, I'm writing it differently. Oxygen is partially negative and hydrogen is partially positive and carbon is also partially positive. But oxygen will prefer to combine with the hydrogen. That's the concept we have seen in terms of hydrogen bonding. So in this case, they become a polarity in character. This group, this carbon becomes a non-polar in character. Please remember, oxygen and hydrogen combine together to form a bond. As a result, different number of water molecules can be added or alcohols can be added, giving rise to an intermolecular hydrogen bonding. When these two combine forming a bond, they become polarity character increases here. Non-polar character is found in this carbon atom. Here only one carbon atom with a non-polar character. When you refer to ethanol, how many carbons are there? 2 carbons are there. So compared to methanol, here only one carbon atom with a non-polar character. Ethanol has got 2 carbon atoms with a non-polar character. When you refer to propanol, 3 carbon atoms with a non-polar character. So greater the number of non-polarity character in the given compound, lesser will be the solubility. And that's the point given to you. When more number of carbon gets added to the chain, the non-polar character dominates, hence solubility decreases. So lesser the number of carbon atoms, solubility will be more. Greater the number of carbon atoms, solubility will be less. Thank you.